So hello everyone, and yesterday I didn't upload the video, and I made it purposefully. I didn't upload it so that I can upload the video later on, that why market actually moved. So if you are having doubts regarding why the market moved in a certain way, watch this video further and you'll get to know why the market moved into the downward direction and from where. So enjoy the video. Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having a high impact news at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing. And we are having a medium impact news. So maybe that can also be the reason of somewhat of volatility into the market. So be cautious at this time too. So now let's move to the charts. Now this is the monthly chart, and the scenario is pretty much clear that we are sweeping the swing high of the monthlies and the price is moving into the downward direction. But for that, we need to find that in the smaller time frames, the price is respecting the strong highs. So let's move to the weeklies. Now this is the weekly chart, and what we can see is that the price had respected this FVG, and this is a crucial candle and going to be the decider factor for the price if we are going to go into the upside direction or the lower direction. So for now, nothing is much clear over here. So let's move to the dailies. Now this is the daily chart, and what we can see is that we are having an FVG, I mean a FVG over here, and we are accumulating some kind of a liquidity over here. So we are within a range right now. So since we are within a range and our bias is somewhat bearish, so we are having some kind of an idea. So let's move to the 4 hours. This is the 4-hour chart, and this is pretty much evident that this was the weekly FVG. Let me delete it so that it won't be confusing. So this is the 4-hour FVG, and this one is the daily FVG. We are having some kind of a confluence over here. So what we have right now for the price to respect this overall bearish narrative of ours is that we are having FVG over here and we are having an order block at this range. So what I'm anticipating currently is that we are going to sweep the highs and then we will be taking the liquidities which we are building for now. This is kind of a liquidity which the price is currently building. So if we are going to sweep the highs and then we are going to move into the downward direction, that will be the best scenario for our overall anticipation. For now, even this is a liquidity for us. So let's move to the 1 hours now. Now, what do we see into the 1 hours is we are having an FVG which is within the confluence of 4-hour and daily. So this makes our narrative a little bit more stronger that we are going to continue our journey into the downward direction. And what do we have here is we are having the highs being swept by the market, but the lows are not being broken. So what we are waiting for here is the price. If the price is going to break some kind of a strong low, then we are going to consider that the price can be bearish from now on. So let's move to the 15 minutes or 30 minutes first. So currently we are into the Asia session and some kind of high, which is, I guess, disrespected by the market. But let's see if we are having something into the 15 minutes. So yeah, what do we have here is this level, this swing low. I'll be anticipating that if we are going to break the Asia low today, most likely we are going to continue our journey into the downward direction. And for that, maybe the price had shown before too that the price never reached into the upside direction. But what do we have here is this high. So if we are going to sweep this high and then break the Asia low, that will be the best scenario for me right now. Otherwise, I'll be waiting for the price to break some kind of a strong structure into the downward direction. For now, that is Asia low. So let's see what happens into the market. our main bias is bearish, and I'm anticipating that the price can take this high and then we are going to go into the downward direction. But if the momentum will be strong after taking the Asia low, I'll be happy to enter within uh, into the downward direction into the market. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments if you have any doubts or problem regarding my analysis, and thank you for watching.